Hi, Tej. This is
Hi,
Praveen.
Praveen.
Yes, from Kasimi PLM. I take care of customer success in Kasimi. So we have been doing a web series from last couple of weeks, and thank you very much for accepting our invite. And we are very happy that you are on our platform and want to speak a few lines about the PLM and its other things. So, Tej, can you, for the audience, can you briefly give a small introduction about yourself?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Praveen. So I've been working in the PLM industry for over 22 years now, and started off as an engineer on the shop floor, and have worked in and have been fortunate to work in various industry sectors: automotive, aerospace, and defense. Uh, Other manufacturing, so industrial manufacturing and oil and gas, to name a few. Uh, and I am really passionate about PLM. I love the benefits and value it can deliver to an organization, and it's my mission as uh, to help organizations unlock the value of PLM, uh, and I believe that it can deliver ROI that is not in percentages but in multiples.
Great, great. So, we'll direct get into the questionnaire. So, my first question to you, Tej, will be: do you think a PLM SaaS product would have been a savior in this current lockdown situation for a manufacturing as an industry? So, what would be your
So yeah, I think PLM is a must for any organization that is in the manufacturing vertical, and a SaaS product is even better because you're not locked to a particular premise. You are obviously, you have the flexibility of working from where you are, and so in this situation where we are all locked down and cooped up in our own homes, if you have a product that allows you to work flexibly from different locations, fantastic, nothing like it. So absolutely. So obviously the benefits of SaaS or cloud-based PLM are amazing, but just the fact that you have PLM in your organization is a big uh, differentiator, I suppose, in this market. If you don't have it, you have no information data that you can use to innovate. Whereas with PLM, you have organized data that you can use to innovate. And therefore, when we come out of this situation, it will be something that companies uh, will be able to win with,
great?
for
So,
sure.
I strongly feel there's a lot of ambiguity between the PLM and the ERP in this space. So, so what can be done to clear this demarcation between ERP and PLM?
This is a great question. It comes up all the time that people say, we have got ERP, we have got even supply chain management, we have got all of these different enterprise applications. So why do we need one more, which is PLM? So, and the way I see these different applications is that they work in the different parts of the life cycle of a particular product. And so they have their specific uses in those where when the product is in that particular domain. But PLM is like an umbrella. It overarches all of these different life cycles, phases of a particular product. And therefore, you need to have, or PLM basically enables you to get information about your product from one part of your life cycle, transform it, and then reuse it in the next, and enhance it, enrich it in the next phase of the life cycle. And so that is for me the biggest difference. ERP, on the one hand, is a very transactional system, whereas PLM is a very flow-based system. It's a life cycle-based system. So those are the two big ways of differentiation that I can think about. And so it's not one replaces the other, but if you look at an organization in the past, one big enterprise application used to be ERP. Now I can see two big bubbles, if you like, ERP that hang, and few other applications that hang off ERP. And then on the other side, there is PLM with other applications that hang off PLM. And then there is a good cross between the two, and they coexist next to each other. It's not one or the other, it's how they work with each other and therefore deliver a better value to the organization.